How to install the HP Remote System Controller on the HP Z8 Fury G5. In this video, we'll show you how to install the necessary components to use the HP Remote System Controller with the HP Z8 Fury G5. For the installation, you'll need the HP Remote System Controller itself, along with a small Ethernet cable, a USB 3 Type-A to USB 3 Type-A cable, a DisplayPort to Mini DisplayPort cable, and the external power and signal cable. You'll also need the 10-pin bulkhead adapter, its included screws, and the internal power and signal cable. For tools, you'll need a T15 Torx head driver and a small Phillips head screwdriver. Start by removing the side panel of the workstation. Remove the additional chassis panels by actuating the blue levers while swinging the panels outward. Use a small screwdriver or other tool to remove the blank on the rear of the chassis. Stick the tool through the center hole of the blank and carefully pry it back and forth until it falls out. Plug the end of the internal power and signal cable labeled RSC into the rear of the adapter. Insert the bulkhead adapter into the blank, securing it in with the T15 Torx head driver. Plug one end of the external power and signal cable into the bulkhead adapter. Connect the end of the internal power and signal cable labeled MB into this port on the motherboard. Reinstall the chassis panels and side panel. Plug the DisplayPort end of the Mini DisplayPort to DisplayPort cable into the primary output on the graphics card. Plug one end of the USB cable into an available USB port on the workstation. If it's desired to pass through the network connection from the HP Remote System Controller to the workstation, then plug one end of the short Ethernet cable into the RJ45 port on the workstation. Plug the other ends of the cables into their corresponding ports on the left side of the Remote System Controller. Connect to the Ethernet cable to the right side of the Remote System Controller to give it network access.